What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz, the wagon. We got the Miata, we got the Skyline, and then we got my Miata. So I've been very busy already this morning. I knocked out the oil change on the wagon, knocked out the oil change with Emmy on her Miata, and I might pull my car out and do mine. Otherwise, Kasdan is getting here in a little bit, and we are taking care of that lug. I don't care if I have to sawzall through the damn wheel. We're gonna either take the hub out, melt the lug, or there were a couple other great ideas, drill it out. So either way, that wheel's coming off, and that's the only thing stopping this car from really being able to move. So anyways, guys, we're still on the new updated camera settings. If it looks weird, bear with me. Still figuring this out. See y'all in a little bit. Shoo, dude, you guys can't tell me this wagon looks so good. Yo, and he brought the Bojangles. Oh my god. What up, dude? We'll figure it out. Oh my god. Dude, and he bringing the meal. Shee! Alright, we finished up our lunch. It is time to try to tackle this lug before the rain starts. We're gonna get as much done as we can before the rain, let it pause, and then resume after. If you guys are new here, or if this is the first Miata video, on this black one anyways, this is what we are dealing with, right? So I told you all the other possible options. We're just gonna see what works best. I'm excited to get this thing back on the road, but the first thing we have to knock out is this lug. I can't get a break, dude. I can't get a break. It's raining. Nice. We're gonna drop some oil off at Advance, take Emmy's battery in, and it's gonna be it. Not for the video. We'll come back out, and I think we're gonna try to drill it out first. Then we'll go from there, but I'll see y'all in a little while when it stops raining. Alright, we dropped the oil in the battery off. It stopped raining when we got there, and then started sprinkling again when we got back. But for the sake of trying not to be soaked, I got an umbrella and a rain jacket and a hat. And yeah, good, yeah. Fuck it.
Like, I'm in the middle, I'm not gonna hit the wheel.
Oh no, I mean if you hit the wheel a little bit, it was straight, but
I'm not gonna hit it. It's just
hits wheel. Ends up having to sawzall the wheel off. We are probably 30 seconds in, and we have snapped the drill bit so far. We got the pilot hole started.
I need pliers.
And we got a box of drill bits, which I'll probably have to get them another box.
I'm fine.
But
I have like 3.
this is a nightmare, dude. Hour 1, Here we go.
What a nice sound, right? It's beautiful. Oh god. That's horrible.
That is ass, dude. I'm getting some WD-40. Oh
yeah,
my
get
God.
WD-40.
So drill bit number 2 is what we got going. It's still raining, and I don't have WD-40, right? Of course, why would I have a drill or WD-40? So we have freeze off. If this starts like breaking lugs or breaking drill bits, I'll find something else.
You
but
can use water.
Stuff smells good.
Oh, this smells good while we're breaking drill bits.
Right?
Oh, it does smell good.
Round 3. Is this the 3rd size up?
This is like 4.
Dear God.
Something. I don't know. This is the same one that was making the bad noise. Wait. Bro,
It's moving.
slowly. Very slowly.
That's a god-awful noise. Just for you guys to get on my ass, this stuff is penetrant / lubricant.
What is that?
It's just like special.
Special.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
this
supposed
is
to
the
like
bent
freeze
drill
through
bit.
rust and stuff, huh?
This is the bent drill bit.
Yo, that'll work.
I just need it to like
Number
start.
5.
Like, if I can get it like bigger than, oh wait, I'm being silly.
What?
I have like a whole other set of drill bits.
Let's go This bitch is coming off today. This is number 3 that we've snapped. Drill bit like number 7 or 8 that we've tried.
Alright.
It's getting better though.
The bigger they get, the less they'll snap. But like, we can't get them bigger.
That's what I'm thinking. How far back do you think we have to go?
I think the small hole's far enough back.
It has stopped raining for the 3rd time, and the battery is charged. So we're going in once again. Here's a little close-up of what we're working with. The pilot hole, whatever the smallest one, is all the way through, like past the wheel. So should be good here in about another 4 hours.
4 or 5.
Got me a nice little seat. Oh shit, it's getting bigger.
This is like the same junk that I did with the SR.
Oh, with the head stud?
Yeah, it was hurting my feelings.
Kazdan is experienced. He just had to do this in the head of his SR instead of a rusty old Miata.
Yeah,
so.
head was scarier though.
Oh yeah.
I didn't want to drill into the block.
It's the new Fitz Miller video, except it's like 30 minutes of wee, snap, wee, snap. Oh yeah. Oh, he's tossing out some junk. Shoo!
Did that one even like...
Little update ski. We're getting closer. We're on drill bit number, 17. I don't even know what. Yeah, 17 probably.
Oh no, I'm missing this one. So we're gonna have to like skip a size.
Oh Lord. We haven't snapped anymore, fingers crossed.
Don't say that. Alright, yeah, no, hold on.
Getting to where everyone is smoking. You know what that means.
This is unfortunate. Bro, it's like they just like gave up. God. Ugh.
Not digging at all?
No.
The stance. So close.
Okay, that was good. That was good.
That was a good one. A lot of removal, which I'm storing in my lips.
Heck yeah. That's disgusting. Miata soup.
Miata soup. Some metal shavings in your eye.
Yeah. Good Lord. Bro, bite.
Not wanting to dig in there?
No.
Oh God.
Holy God.
Alright. Kazdan drilled out most of the stud, all the stud. So we got a 16 mil. We're gonna try to hammer it onto it. See if we can break it free. Oh. Okay, and it came off.
That was just a series of
Dude, I was
not
thinking,
good
I was like, what happens if I hit my knuckles and it's stinging like a bitch this second. My God, let's go get the 15.
Dude, that thing is itty bitty.
It's tiny.
It's gotten like so small.
Swear to God, I wish I had the rest of the like bolt grippers. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, it really would have been easier if I just sawzawed the damn wheel off. Then the lug stud, or lug, whatever, would still be on there. So, 2 of these lugs were loose already. We're taking off the 3rd, just so we're ready to, like, damn, kick off the wheel, bro. Fuck it, we just gonna drop the car, bam, like that, snaps the stud off, and we're good. Bro, see if I can just kick it. Okay. It's a little tougher than I thought.
You need help?
Oh,
No,
we're
we're
fine. Oh my God. Dude, if I saw us, I would ask if we needed help too. Like, sir, we need a lot of help right now. But thank you. Oh my God, it's fighting him, dude. It's like a fish. We got a 10-pounder. God. We're so close. I'm just glad the smoke's not coming out of your drill.
Yeah. Come on.
It's eating.
Oh.
This is the biggest drill bit we got, I think.
Drill's hot.
Yeah, drill getting a little toasty.
Yes.
Kasdan is trying another approach. I'm gonna at least knock out the oil change while it's sitting for a while. Don't worry, we have a jack stand on both sides of the bucket, and I should be able to do this really fast. Literally just did the other one this morning. You guys don't want to see this. See you later. All right, this is pretty gross. When I checked it, it had oil in it before moving it onto the trailer. It's a little darker than I would like, obviously. Literally, I'm not gonna complain because it has oil in it. Permanent handprint right there, and we're good. Time to, you know, do the filter and put the oil in it, and we're good. Hey Logan, if you're watching this right now, I appreciate you for not impacting this bitch on there. It was almost, could almost get it off of my hands, but turned out to be super easy, so I'll take it. All right, so we got the oil in there, and now we got STP oil treatment with zinc. This is God's nectar right here. This is God's sweet. Look at that, dude. That looks just like edible. It also doubles as an oil fill cap. Oh shit, let me not drop it. Come on. That's loosening? Oh shit, hold on. Hold it. Bro, God's nectar and oil cap all in one. Shoo! Alright, Logan. And again, I'm sorry. Just gonna update it. Just get that 2021 update. Take off some of the stickers. Right, dude? Logan, again, I'm also sorry for watching this. I had to take off the anime titties because there were so many of them, dude. And like moms and families were walking by here, and they'd look up at me with just kind of like and then just like haul ass up the street. So I had to take the anime titties down. That's about it. Oil change is done. Still working on the lug. Update you maybe this year. I don't know. Alright, so unfortunately I think this is where Mother Nature is gonna call it for today, and where I'm gonna call it myself because I'm so tired of trying to mess with this. We have both tried to drill and hammer and like pick away at the metal. I got the oil change done, battery's not fixed yet. Working hard as hell on that lug. I'm kind of bummed because I work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I have Monday and Tuesday off the next week or something. But it's just like, dude, I'm just trying to wrap this up, just trying to get some tires on the car and move it along. But god damn, it is a lot of rain, a lot of spring rain. But it's all right, we'll figure it out here in the near future. Anyways, guys, this has been Fitz Miller and Kasdan with the wagon. Huge shout out to him for coming out and helping today. We will continue this as soon as possible. If you guys are seeing this, I hope you are having a happy Friday. Hope you had a happy Friday. But anyways, guys, this has been Fitz, Kasdan, Emmy, Miatas, everything, the wagon, back here with another video. And we'll see you guys in the next one.